Well, I was hoping to put the roof light in today, but as usual, I don't have all the bits. I need some of that mastic tape to put around it because it's all a bit uneven on the top, and we won't get a good seal. And of course, they don't sell it in town anywhere, which is ridiculous. It's a town the size of Hartlepool, but I've got another job to do. I've got a million jobs to do, but I'm going to put a seal around the door. So as you can see, it's missing. So that'll be why it's been a bit noisy and a bit cold in the van. So I'm going to start off just by giving it a clean with some white spirit, and then we'll get it on, hopefully. Well, that quite clearly isn't the right size. I'm guessing I've ordered for a side door, but not a slide door. Hey ho, worst things happen at sea, as my old dad used to say. Good morning. It's several weeks later. Well, maybe it's not that long, but I've decided to have another little go of popping this stuff on. I know it's too short, but it's getting cold in the van, so I'm just going to put it on, see how it goes, and see how much the gap is, how short we are, and then I'm going to have to order some more. It's about 27 quid a pop as well, which is a bit annoying really, but let's get on with it. I haven't got much time to do outdoors over the next few days. They're making me work for a living and that, you know, weddings to do and such. So right, I'm going to start off down here. So I'm basically just pushing the edge, that edge, onto this rim. But it's the awkward bit, of course, to start with. So I reckon if I start about there, it's going to leave me short down this edge, but we'll see. It looks like you can just pop it on. I do have a rubber hammer if need be. I might have to close that door. So get it underneath here. Make sure it's right in the corners. Push it in. Weird. Yeah, it's right in the corners. Might have to bring this further in. Sorry if you can't see that bit. Right, I'll push it back and crack on. It's going on easy enough. I don't think it doesn't need a tap on. Bit bendy bit there. That looks a bit better. Oh, isn't the weather horrible today? I'm glad my wedding's not today, which we have to photograph. Well, we're looking forward to photographing it. It's just not the weather. I'm just working my way around, making sure it's in all the nooks and crannies. Now, see, that wasn't on right there. Looks even shorter than I thought it was. How far are we going to get? Nowhere near. It's well short. We're about 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 foot short. A bit like me, really. Didn't make as much of a slam, so hopefully that'll be a lot less windy and a lot less cold when we're going along. Oh, it looks like there's a ridge where it pops into the inner bit under there. Come on inside, let's see if it's any better. Seagulls are loud today. See, I don't think that's shut properly. We've got a big gap. See how nice and sealed it is here. But then we come to this side. And we can see outside. Not so good. So I've slammed the door shut and I can still see some little gaps down here. But then I realised it hasn't got any covering on it at the moment, so when it does, that'll slam shut and it'll be tight against the seal. Hopefully, because that looks like a big gap down there. So in between doing this video, you can see we have fitted the skylight and vent. It's been raining and it's not leaking. It's not the best of things I've ever done in my life, I don't think, but it's in and it's working. So that's me lot for now. Well, I banged my head there and for some reason the video went into slow motion as well, so I've had to come and redo it. Anyway, that's the end of the... For God's sake, I went into slow motion again. I really should check the settings. Anyway, what I was going to say was, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up and you can subscribe down below as well. That would be proper dandy, that would be. It's in the next video, I think I'm going to be putting the back windows in and they're a proper pain in the bum. Here's a little example of me doing a little practice run on them. But it's a terrible system. We can't get away from that. But I bought them now, so they're going to have to go in. Anyway, that's me lot for now. So bye-bye now.